Guys, be sure to stick around at the end of the video for a great opportunity on a giveaway. Information will be there. Stay tuned. This here's the Ticwatch. Quite possibly the least known smartwatch on the market right now. But I'm here to tell you why this is probably the best bang for your buck when it comes to a smartwatch. This is actually a really cool box. It won the Good Design Award of 2016. Around the edge. Just take a quick. Now this is the Ticwatch E. There's an E and then there's a T, I believe. And the T is more of a sport edition. E retails for $159 US. Ooh, I really like the feeling of that band. I don't know if that's silicone or something more like Apple's polyelastomer, but that is a really soft material. I bet that's gonna feel really nice on the hand. I gotta say, this thing is really lightweight. Other smartwatches, you know, they're gonna feel a heft on the wrist. This, I get it on the wrist and it's actually really light. It's definitely a little bulky, but it's light. It's really comfortable on the wrist. I really like this band. I'll just pull that off there. It does have a single button on it. It's not a turnable. There's no rotation on the watch. There's just a single crown, which is just a button on the side. Push it in, hold, and vibrates to life. Built-in GPS, music on the move with 4 GB of internal storage, IP67 water resistance, connection to Shazam, so it's going to be able to tell you what songs are being played. Google Fit, all the fitness tracking will send the information over to Google Fit. It's extremely lightweight, which I can definitely confirm. This thing feels really nice on the wrist. It does have a heart rate monitor, which other smartwatches have that heart rate monitor on the bottom of the watch that actually protrudes a little bit. This one's actually recessed in the watch. The watch actually sits flat on your wrist. I really like it. I'm actually having a really nice, enjoyable experience with this on my watch or my wrist right now. Powered by Android Wear. Does have connection with your Google Assistant and has a connection to Messenger, Facebook. Of course, you're going to get all of your notifications from your phone on it. I'm really excited about this watch for a couple of different reasons. Most smartwatches that you find are, you know, above 250 bucks. This one you can get for 160 bucks pretty much. That is a great budget price for a smartwatch. Even a standard watch probably will cost you around 100 bucks. So for an extra 60 bucks, get a smartwatch, have that connection to your phone, get those really fantastic notifications. I've always thought to myself that smartwatches were kind of this odd niche, kind of a niche thing, that they were never necessary. And every time I've had one, I've enjoyed it, but it's not until I take that watch off that I really find myself missing it. Missing that connection of being able to glance at my watch and see the notifications. If I'm ever busy in a meeting, can't get to my phone, but something important comes through, I can glance at it nonchalantly and not take any heat for it. So there's a number of reasons why smartwatches are really great. So I'm super excited to try this out. I have high hopes for it. There's a couple of things that actually set it apart besides just its price above other smartwatches. A higher quality display than any other smartwatch that I'm aware of. 400 by 400 resolution display, which is the highest resolution on a smartwatch currently. And you're getting that for a price that is better than any other smartwatch price. So this thing has a lot going for it. Super excited to try it out alongside my Galaxy S9. I'll be sure to let you guys know in an upcoming review about my thoughts on the Ticwatch E. As mentioned before, we're giving away the Ticwatch E. The link is in the description below. Make sure you hit that. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, so you don't miss out on future unboxing videos and future opportunities to win free stuff. And as always, I'm Gurn with Unbox Hysteria. Catch you later.